In this video, I'll explain the powerful SEO tier link building strategy, its advantages, and how to use SEO Sin Suite tools to safely rank your video or website. So if you want to rank your website or your video, simply watch this video to the end. First, let's understand what SEO tier link building is all about. In short, it's a strategic approach to building backlinks to your website from multiple sources, organized into tiers based on their authority and relevance. Advantages of SEO tier link building. 1. Improved search engine rankings. By using tier link building, you'll boost your website's authority and climb higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. 2. Diversified link profile. Tier link building ensures that your link profile is diverse, with a mix of high, moderate, and lower authority links. This natural link profile is favored by search engines and reduces the risk of penalties. 3. Enhanced indexing and crawling. Backlinks from Tier 1 sites often lead search engine crawlers to discover and index your website faster, improving your site's visibility. 4. Increased referral traffic. As your website gains backlinks from Tier 1 sites, you're likely to receive referral traffic from their visitors, leading to potential conversions and business growth. 5. Long-term sustainability. Tiered backlinking is a sustainable SEO strategy that focuses on building quality links over time, leading to lasting improvements in search rankings. Backlinks to your website are one of the most important SEO ranking factors, and they are crucial if you want to rank in search engines. Backlinks hold and pass link juice, which, in simple terms, is ranking power, and thus something you want your website to get. The more link juice carries a link, the more SEO power your website gets. Straight common sense tells us, the more backlinks the better, right? Yes, but not directly to your website. Direct mass backlinking used to work years ago. You could throw a bunch of backlinks directly to your website. But Google saw that everybody was doing this, and started to penalize low authority domains for doing that, so it's not working anymore. So remember that, never send thousands of backlinks at once to a fresh domain / your money site. It's dangerous and bad for your website. This is where tier link building comes into play. Before I explain it further, please like this video and hit the bell icon as it helps the algorithm. Okay, tier link building. But huge websites, like for example YouTube, get a lot of backlinks, as people share videos a lot, and it doesn't get punished by Google. Why? It's because the domains of these websites have a lot of authority, which means that Google knows that and allows huge numbers of backlinks for these domains, perceiving such links as something normal. In short, high authority domains can get a lot of backlinks safely. Fortunately for us, some of such high authority domains pass the link juice they get. So when you place a link to your website on such a domain, for example on Tumblr by creating a Tumblr blog post, and you point mass backlinks to that post, you pass the link juice to your website. This is how tier link building works. And you can use several tiers of high authority domain links because it creates something called DAS, which stands for Domain Authority Stacking, which in short is combining these domains' authority along with the link juice they carry. So for example, you want to rank a website. You need to create some blog posts on a high authority website, like Blogger, Tumblr or WordPress.com. You place there a link to your website and then you point mass backlinks to that blog post you've created. You can use Sin Backlink Pro for that, or you can use the Tumblr tool for mass Tumblr embeds. Then you can create a Pinterest pin with a link to your website and hit that pin with the Pinterest tool of SEO Sin Suite. If you don't have the SEO Sin Suite, which allows you to get thousands of backlinks in a few minutes, simply check the link below in the description. These tools are really easy and fast. In conclusion, SEO tier link building is a powerful strategy for improving your website's search engine rankings and driving organic traffic. If you're ready to take your SEO efforts to the next level, consider implementing the tier link building strategy today. In the next videos, I'll be showing more specific examples, so please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell icon so you don't miss anything.